me until the bitter end. Anyone can comfort me with promises again. I know. When I'm deep inside, don't be too concerned. I won't ask for